Filing a weekly claim for unemployment insurance. This video tells you how to file a weekly claim after you have applied for unemployment insurance so that you can receive unemployment insurance payments. You will need to file a weekly claim for every week you are seeking payment. This includes weeks when your claim is under review or when you are waiting for payment details. You need to file your claim between the Sunday and Friday after the week you want to claim benefits for. You will only receive payments for weeks when your claim is filed on time. At the beginning, filing your claim may seem difficult, but it will get easier and quicker with each submission. If you need an interpreter to help you file your weekly claim, call 877-214-3332 and press 1. Say your language in English and the staff person will connect you with an interpreter. Then you can file your weekly claim over the phone. If you do not need an interpreter and you are not required to complete a work search, you can call the weekly claims phone line at 1-800-983-2300. Your call will not be answered by a person who you can ask for help. This is called an automated line. You can also file your weekly claim online. To file a claim this way, you must have your own email address and create an online account on the My Vermont website. After you submit your unemployment insurance application, you'll get an email message from the Department of Labor. Click on the link in the email to set up your online account on the My Vermont website. If you cannot find the email, go to the Vermont Department of Labor's website and click on File Weekly Claim, UI. If you have not previously set up a My Vermont account, you will need to create a new account. You will need to provide your email address and choose a password. When you create your account, you will also be asked to use a system that makes your account more secure by asking you to enter a code each time you log into your account. This is called multi-factor authentication. The system will text your phone a code each time you log into your account. After logging in, you will need to enter the code and then click Verify to access the unemployment insurance website. Click Continue to see your weekly claim information. Review your details and make sure they are correct. Then click File your weekly claim. If you do not see this option, call the Vermont Department of Labor at 877-214-3332 for help. If you have already filed your claim for the previous week, you will not see the filing button until the next claim period begins. Next, if you are required to perform a work search, you will need to answer a question asking if you are a member of a union. Click either yes or no. If you clicked yes, you will get assigned work by your labor union recruiter. If you clicked no, you will move on to enter your job search contacts. Then click Continue. The next thing you will need to do is report job contacts. The information you provide is for job contacts made during the week that is listed at the top of the page. To make sure you enter the information correctly, look at the left side of the screen. There are specific requirements for how you will need to enter information like phone numbers and dates. When you are finished, review all your information to make sure it is correct. Then check the certification box. Click on Continue when done. Next, you will need to provide information to confirm whether or not you are eligible to receive a payment for that week. Depending on how you answer the question, Your claim might need to be reviewed before it can be accepted. If it does need to be reviewed, you will receive a message telling you to contact Claimant Assistance, and the weekly claim will not be accepted. Answer all the questions by clicking yes or no. If you work during the week you are filing a claim for, report your gross wages. Gross wages are the total amount you earned before taxes were taken out. You also need to report the number of hours you worked that week. Report this information even if you have not yet been paid for the work. Review all your information to make sure it is correct. Then check the certification box. Next, click Continue. You will see a screen confirming that your weekly claim was filed. There will be a confirmation code on the screen. Make a note of it and save it for your records. Click Continue if you want to return to the Vermont Department of Labor website. Remember to check your email and voicemail messages regularly in case the Department of Labor is trying to contact you. If you have questions, call 877-214-3332. Press 1 if you need an interpreter.